Hangzhou Tandem Machinery Import and Export Company Limited took a significant step on August 8, 2024, by becoming a proud member of the China Chamber of Commerce for import and export of machinery and electronic products. The company's renowned machinery platform, ASEANMACHINE, focuses on providing innovative solutions and services in the field of machinery. This strategic move marks a crucial milestone in the company's internationalization strategy. By joining the chamber, Hangzhou Tandem Machinery aims to strengthen collaborations with both domestic and international enterprises, driving technological advancements and market expansion in the machinery and electronic industry. The membership in the chamber signifies Hangzhou Tandem Machinery's commitment to fostering global partnerships and staying at the forefront of industry developments. This proactive engagement underscores the company's dedication to enhancing industry standards and promoting mutual growth within the machinery and electronics sector.
Click on the home page or enter the URL. You will see more mechanical,